person. Welcome to my mom's channel. Today we're opening some Assassin's Creed. So this is how it looks like. It's Series 1 from Dollar Tree. Let me open it.
Let's see the figures that you get.
These.
So that's the different figures that you can get?
I wanted to get this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, there's a close-up. He wants this one. Ezio. I've heard of this game. He hasn't. I've never played it though, so yeah. Now.
So now I'm going to open it. I hope I get my character. I think. Oh, whoa. Oh, we got. Look at the face. Why is it covered?
The face is covered? Wait, don't.
Oh, wait. It has a thingy.
Oh, it has plastic?
Yeah.
Okay, just be careful.
Don't worry, I'll open it later. So.
Is it to.
This thingy.
Okay, show it to us. Show us the face.
It's a weapon.
The weapon. Okay. What's that, like a bow? Like a bow and arrow? What is it?
No! I think it's... Oh. I think it's like a bow and arrow.
Oh, I don't know. And the plastic was just to hold the helmet on, huh?
I think... That's how it looks like the guy.
Okay.
Let me open the second one.
So we got, how many do we have to open? 5, I think? I think Mom got 5 of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. It's really hard to open when you put tape. So I think it's going to be maroon. I'm not sure what this is this one.
Oh, that's the mystery. We don't know which one it is.
I think we got. But you have to play on the chair. Oh, I think his name. Oh, I think his name is. What was his name? His name is this one that we got. Oh, is this one?
Hold on, which one?
With the sword. This with the white sword.
Okay,
This
you got.
white guy with the white.
Oh.
With the green sword.
Oh, I don't know the name. I can't really see it. Okay, just keep going. It's probably to hold the helmet on, so it doesn't like be wiggling around in the box.
So I'll.
Just rip it, rip it.
Here's the other one.
Okay, number 3.
Ah, we got this brown guy.
Let's see.
He has a big sword.
Yeah, he does have a big sword.
Here's. Ouch.
You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Right, number 4.
Number 4. When do I get mine? I'm not sure if I'm gonna get mine.
I don't know.
I think. Ah!
It's another one of the white one?
Yeah, it's the one again. It is. Why am I not getting?
I don't know. Well, let's hope this next one is the one you wanted.
I hope. If it's not, I'll tell the people. Just put this inside. I hope it's.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Please.
Did you get it? I don't think you ripped it enough.
Yeah, I think I did it. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Another one of the same one?
The brown.
The brown one. Aw, man.
Oh, man. Don't worry.
It's okay. Alright, so those are the ones he got. So we got 2 doubles. Let's see what their names are. So
the white one is...
the one that has like the bow thingy, the first one, is Bayek. Who's Bayek?
I think the white one?
Wait, is that it? Yeah, the brown one is Thomas Day Carnelian.
And the white one?
And the white one is... Wow, I think this guy's got some weird names. Altair Ibn Ahad. I have no idea.
We have those, but...
So you're just missing Aya, the girl, and Ezio, which is the one that you wanted.
Yeah, this is the gray one.
It's okay. Yes.
Thanks for joining me. Bye.